Orchids are captivating. Their beauty is striking. These delicate flowers have fascinated people for centuries, not just for their appearance, but also for their intriguing history and symbolism. They are a symbol of elegance and grace. In many cultures, orchids represent love, luxury, and strength. Their presence can transform any space into a sanctuary of tranquility. Many varieties exist with unique colors and shapes. From the exotic vanda to the delicate cattleya, each type of orchid brings its own charm and character. From the classic Phalaenopsis to the vibrant Dendrobium, there's an orchid for everyone. These plants can be found in diverse environments, from tropical rainforests to arid deserts. Their captivating allure has made them popular houseplants. They add a touch of sophistication and natural beauty to any home decor. However, many shy away from their care. The thought of maintaining these exotic plants can be intimidating for beginners. They worry about the perceived difficulty. Concerns about watering, light, and temperature often deter potential orchid enthusiasts. But fear not. With the right knowledge, anyone can grow orchids. Simple tips and consistent care can lead to thriving plants. Let's unlock the secrets to keeping your orchids thriving. Join us as we explore the fascinating world of orchids and learn how to make these beautiful plants flourish in your home. Before diving into specifics, let's cover the basics. Orchids are a diverse and fascinating group of plants that require specific care to thrive. Understanding their needs is the first step to successful orchid cultivation. Orchids, like all plants, have needs. These needs must be met consistently to ensure healthy growth and vibrant blooms. Understanding these is key to their well-being. Without proper care, orchids can quickly become stressed and fail to bloom. The three primary factors are watering, light, and temperature. Each of these elements plays a crucial role in the health of your orchids. Watering. Orchids don't like soggy roots. Overwatering can lead to root rot, which is a common issue for many orchid enthusiasts. They prefer a good soak followed by a dry period. This mimics their natural environment, where they experience periods of rain followed by dry spells. Light is essential for photosynthesis. Without adequate light, orchids cannot produce the energy they need to grow and bloom. Orchids thrive in bright, indirect light. Direct sunlight can be too intense and may cause damage to the delicate leaves. Direct sunlight can scorch their leaves. It's important to find a balance to ensure they get enough light without being exposed to harsh rays. Temperature. Most orchids prefer moderate temperatures. Extreme temperatures can stress the plants and inhibit their growth. They thrive in temperatures similar to their natural habitats. By replicating these conditions, you can create an ideal environment for your orchids to flourish.
Watering orchids correctly is crucial. Overwatering is a common mistake. It can lead to root rot and kill the plant. Instead of a fixed schedule, observe your orchid. Water it when the potting mix is nearly dry. You can check this by feeling the mix with your finger. When watering, use lukewarm water. Water thoroughly, ensuring the entire root system gets moistened. Allow excess water to drain completely. Light is crucial for orchid growth and blooming. They love bright, indirect light. A south-facing window is ideal. However, direct sunlight can be too harsh. If your orchid isn't getting enough light, it will signal you. Its leaves will become dark green. Too much light will turn the leaves yellowish. Adjust the placement accordingly.
Orchids don't grow like typical houseplants. They have unique needs and require special care to thrive indoors. Unlike many other plants, they don't need repotting as often. This is because their roots are adapted to cling to surfaces and absorb moisture from the air. You'll know it's time to repot when the potting mix decomposes and breaks down. This is a sign that the medium is no longer providing the necessary support and nutrients. This usually happens every 1 to 2 years, depending on the type of mix used and the growing conditions. When choosing a new pot, select one that is slightly larger than the previous one to give the roots room to grow. Use a well-draining orchid potting mix. This is crucial because orchids need good air circulation around their roots to prevent rot. Gently remove the orchid from its old pot, being careful not to damage the roots. Loosen any tightly packed roots and place it in the new pot, spreading the roots out evenly. Fill with the potting mix, ensuring the base of the orchid is level with the rim of the pot. This helps the plant to settle in its new home and continue growing healthily. Fertilize regularly. Use a balanced orchid fertilizer. Feed your orchid every 2 weeks during the growing season. Reduce feeding to once a month during the dormant period. Provide humidity. Orchids love humidity. Mist them regularly, especially during dry months. You can also place a humidity tray nearby. Pruning. After your orchid finishes blooming, prune the flower spike. This encourages new growth and future blooms.
Caring for orchids can be incredibly rewarding. It teaches patience and observation. Each orchid is unique. Understanding its individual needs is key to its well-being. Don't be afraid to experiment. Learn from your experiences. Embrace the journey of caring for these magnificent plants. With a little love and attention, your orchids will reward you with their exquisite beauty for years to come.